Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn 5 important first aid skills that could help save someone's life during an emergency. These are simple techniques that everyone should know because emergencies can happen anywhere, at any time. Let's begin with the first life-saving skill, CPR. If a person suddenly collapses, is unconscious, and is not breathing normally, you must act quickly. First, make sure the area is safe. Then check if the person responds by gently tapping them and asking, "Are you okay?" If there is no response, call emergency services immediately. Next, check if the person is breathing. If they are not breathing, start CPR. Place both hands in the center of the chest. Keep your arms straight and push hard and fast. Continue chest compressions at a steady rhythm until medical help arrives, or the person starts breathing again. CPR helps keep oxygen moving through the body and can greatly increase survival chances. Now let's talk about choking. A choking person may not be able to speak, breathe, or cough. They may hold their throat or panic. If this happens, encourage the person to cough first. If they cannot breathe, stand behind them and give 5 strong back blows between the shoulders. If the object still does not come out, perform abdominal thrusts. Place your fist above the belly button and pull inward and upward quickly. Repeat until the airway is clear or help arrives. Next, let's discuss severe bleeding. Heavy bleeding can become very dangerous within minutes. Use a clean cloth or bandage and press firmly on the wound. Keep applying pressure without stopping. If blood soaks through the cloth, do not remove it. Simply place another cloth on top and continue pressing. If possible, raise the injured area above heart level. Keeping the victim calm is also very important. Now let's learn the recovery position. If a person is unconscious but still breathing, carefully turn them onto their side. Tilt the head slightly backward to keep the airway open. This position helps prevent choking and allows the person to breathe more safely while waiting for emergency services. Finally, let's talk about burns. If someone suffers a burn, immediately cool the area with clean running water for at least 10 minutes. Do not use ice, butter, toothpaste, or oil. These can make the injury worse. After cooling the burn, cover it with a clean cloth or dressing. If the burn is severe or covers a large area, seek medical help immediately. Learning first aid can make a huge difference during an emergency. Your actions could one day save the life of a friend, a family member, or even a stranger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn these life-saving skills. Stay safe and see you in the next video.